You restored my faith, that a man could be kind and a father could stand. And all of your words fall flat. I made something of myself, and now you wanna come back. But your love isn't free, it has to be earned. Back then I didn't have anything you need, so I was worthless. But piece by piece he collected me up off the ground where you abandoned things. And piece by piece he filled the holes that you burned in me at 6 years old. You know, he never walks away, he never asks for money, he takes care of me, 'cause he loves me. Piece by piece he restored my faith, that a man could be kind and a father could stand. Piece by piece, piece by piece, I fell far from the tree. I will never leave her like you left me, and she will never have to wonder her worth, because unlike you, I'm gonna put her first. You know, he never walks away, he'll never break her heart, he'll take care of me, he'll love her. Piece by piece, he restored my faith, that a man could be kind and a father should be great. Piece by piece, piece by piece.
Oh, Meg, I was choked watching that then, because you really performed it. You could see that you felt every single word that you were saying, and that song has so much meaning anyway. It is absolutely stunning. Well done, Bout. Anya.
Oh, gorgeous dress, by the way. Do you know what I find about you, Megan? Your vocals are always so beautiful. They're always like so clean. You always tell a story with everything you sing, and I think it's quite smart how you pick your songs actually, because you sing them so like with so much passion and so beautifully, and then you change it in your own way, and I think it just draws everyone in. I mean, the light and shade in your songs are always so like smartly placed, and it just makes everything, and you just nail every song. Well done.
Thanks, Anya. Kerry?
Yeah, I really liked like the subtle changes you made in there. It wasn't like how you've changed up. You kind of kept it more to the original than you have done previously, and that was like nice to see that you could still like do that without, you know, taking it and going wild with it, and you still sort of like retained all the emotion that is in that song, especially the way that you built it towards like the end. I liked how you flicked up and used like a little bit of your falsetto and your head voice every now and again as well. I think that gave it that uniqueness that is like true to you. I thought it was really beautiful. Well done.
Thanks, Kerry.
It was very, very beautiful, and it was very simple, it was, Meg. And what I picked up in this, which I kind of liked actually, is that, because obviously like the emotion and that needs to be there with this sort of song, like I could sense like you becoming a bit more theatrical in certain parts, and like you know, you was really in the zone, and I really liked that because it kind of showed that little bit of thing that I have seen in you in the past, and that kind of came to life. And like I said, if you are successful tonight, you know, there is so much that you can do, and I want you to be aware, you know, like obviously in this competition, I want you to showcase every single little possible thing that you were capable of, because you're capable of so much. So I just want you to be aware of that, because I know what you're capable of, and I want the audience to see what you can do too. Alright, but other than that, absolutely beautiful. You kind of made the room go really like subtle and just let's listen to her. And actually, I was that intrigued by listening to you. I forgot to press the spot. I was like this holding the button, and I was like this watching it. Because, you know, it was quite interesting to see how you put your little twang into something like this. And it really did work. It worked more than I expected, because when I saw this choice, I didn't know how much it was going to work. But you actually made it work, so well done.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thanks, girls. Megan then.